the session in the interest of everyone else who are here to actually learn things. So let's continue. So as most of the time in the colleges, events or anything, you would see how the events when it is being organized, especially when we need some flyers or for images or videos, right? Which is always one of the skills most sought after during that stages. But our friend, our resource person today, Akriti, she's going to actually walk you through and help understand, what are all the video making techniques and strategies in the AI, using the AI to make it more effective, including the teaching fraternity, right? So let's get over the session. Akriti, over to you, and then please continue.
Okay, thank you, Arun sir. Hello,
Yep.
everyone. This side Akriti Tyagi, and since the introduction part is done by Arun sir and ma'am, let's move further. Uh, Let me show you some of my videos which I prepare or make for my YouTube channels. Okay, one second. I'll share my screen. This is my channel, Little Champs. Okay, and where I create kids related videos like rhymes, poems, and stories. And I have created these videos. Let me show you this short video of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. गिगल मॉन्सर
Is the audio
आया रे,
available?
हंसी का
Can you hear
झोला
the audio,
लाया
guys?
रे.
Yes, yes,
गिगल
yes.
मॉन्सर आया रे,
Thank you.
हंसी का झोला लाया रे. नीली नीली रेशमी झाल सबको हंसाए दिन और रात. नीली नीली रेशमी झाल सबको हंसाए दिन और रात. गोल गोल आंखें बड़ी, हंसी में जैसे घंटी पड़ी. नारंगी जूते चमकीले तार, चलते ही बजता हंसी का तार. चलते ही बजता हंसी का तार. गोल गोल आंखें बड़ी, हंसी में जैसे घंटी पड़ी. नारंगी जूते चमकीले तार, चलते ही बजता हंसी का तार. बोटाई पीली झक झक प्यारी, हंसी की है ये फुलझड़ी सारी. कूद कूद कर गाना गाए, सब बच्चों संग खेल रचाए. गिगल मॉन्स्टर आया रे, हंसी का झोला लाया रे. गिगल मॉन्स्टर आया रे, हंसी का झोला लाया रे. Okay. Well, I work on different categories. I have prepared some of the advertisements, frictional advertisements basically. And related to today's seminar, I have created one video which I would like to show you people.
Educators. The future of teaching is here, and it begins with artificial intelligence. Vilamal Institute of Technology invites all teachers to a one-of-a-kind AI video creation seminar, where you'll learn how to transform simple ideas into stunning AI-generated videos. No coding, no complicated setup, just your creativity, powered by artificial intelligence. Join us at Vilamal Institute of Technology and step into the classroom of the future. Calendar register now. Let's make learning smarter, together. Attention educators.
Yep. Did you listen the video, guys? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. It
Yes.
was really awesome, ma'am.
So what idea did you guys get after watching this video? What it was all about?
It's so interesting, ma'am. How did you make it? We need how it has to be done.
Okay.
While generating a AI video, you need to follow, certain steps, and I slowly discovered uh, how to make the video, and what steps I should follow to prepare the video. Okay, so my journey started like this. I create the script from ChatGPT. Okay, suppose
Akriti, I
I,
think are you sharing something because this full screen is not visible here. If you are, in
oh,
case
is
if
it,
you are presenting something, right? Yeah, slides is not visible.
I just represented the video, so right now I'm not showing anything.
Okay, then fine, then
Or
fine. Go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead.
we can do one thing. I can show you the slide and tell my steps what I follow.
Exactly.
Yeah, yeah. These are the steps which I follow. Like, first of all is concept and theme. Okay, since I'm into creating kids videos, okay, then I choose a topic like, create a rhyme for kids related to fruits or shapes or something like that. Okay, so you can choose any topic according to your background, what you people are working on, or what kind of video you want to make. Okay, then you can ask ChatGPT. I personally use ChatGPT a lot, so I'm mentioning its name. So you can ask ChatGPT to write a script for you in on that particular topic. Okay, then I design my characters. Okay, what kind of character I want. This giggle monster I just showed you, or this Velamar Institute video I showed you, the man who was coming in the beginning. So I created that character. Basically, what person or what character I want my video, I create that. Okay, then I make images of different scenes using the same character. Okay, then after that I prepare prompts, video prompts basically, and I take help of ChatGPT also to make videos more attractive and more, functionable. It puts additional elements in the video prompt. Okay, then I use different tools like Suno AI or CapCut for the background music. And in the end, after the videos are 5 seconds or 10 seconds videos, I have prepared in another video tools like Klingai and Sora, Midjourney, Runway ML, uh, tools like this. I create short videos, and then I join these videos in CapCut. Okay, and then I prepare an optimized SEO optimized uh, uh, description for them. So, any questions? Anyone have? Or did you guys understood what I'm trying to say here?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions anyone have?
Participants, you have any queries, you can, yeah, it is in the chat box, ma'am.
One second. Mm,
I tell you, ma'am, they are asking for a demo, ma'am.
then for the live
They
demo,
are
not
asking for a demo.
okay. You want the live demo? All right. Uh, let's begin with the prompt. I have prepared some prompts related to the video I just showed you. I have prepared some prompts.
Excuse me, ma'am, your
Then,
slides are not visible, ma'am.
one second. Uh, I have prepared some image prompts. Okay, then I'll give you these prompts to you, and we will make an image. Okay, and let's see what we get. Um, 1 second. Or you can do one thing. You can copy the prompt from the screen itself. Hello. Hello.
So, Akriti, is there a way you can copy and share the prompt, right? And you can explain the prompt, probably that will be in a more effective sense, right? So, what that prompt means, what are the typical components that goes into the prompt to actually effectively create an image, right? A step-by-step approach. And then you share it the prompt, let people try it out, who are all logged into the system, right? So, I think we can take a progressive approach. So is it possible for you
Okay.
to quickly paste this prompt number one and then let everyone experience the joy of creating it?
Okay. Sure. Uh, I can't see the chat box option on my screen.
Now this in Google, I know we use Zoom a lot, right? But in Google, you'll find there is
Yeah.
a chat option. There is something called
Mm,
in-call messages.
I think it's not visible in.
You can click on that three dot. After that, you will get.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Right. This is the first prompt. Here, I have mentioned a man is standing in a bright hallway with a warm smile. He is wearing a blue. See, uh, read this prompt carefully. Okay, when you are creating any video, okay, first you have to visualize the the appearance of the person you want in your video. If it is a professional video or related to some institution, a professional level video, you will have to describe the person in such a way that the person is wearing a shirt, a tie, and a coat, something like that. So these tools are like babies actually. You have to consider them like babies, that you have to train them, give you have to acknowledge them, you have to write everything what you want in your character, what you want your character to appear in the video. So I have mentioned everything, from his clothes to his hairs, and to his the bag he's carrying on his shoulder, everything. Okay. And you have to mention in the kind of background you want. Okay. So here I have mentioned a middle-aged Indian man standing in a bright hallway with a warm smile. Here he is wearing a light blue shirt and a dark blue tie with a brown leather shoulder bag. The background shows two people walking away, slightly blurred. The lighting is soft and natural, giving a professional and friendly look. I'm sharing it here, and please copy it and put it in ChatGPT, this prompt, and see what you get. Okay. It will be better if you guys try it and tell me the output, what you get. Just simply copy the prompt from the chat and put it in ChatGPT and create the image.
So we encourage everyone to actually try out this prompt in that chat GPT and share the images, whatever you get. So let's experience that. Let's let this be a collective learning for all of us.
Did anyone try it? No problem, Kanchan. Okay. Tastina. I request all of you, please try this prompt and tell me your results. Couldn't copy. Sir, are there any
Wait a second,
restrictions?
man. It is processing.
Okay. Okay, Sudha ma'am. Whoever has completed, please share the image in the chat box. Okay, just saying. Did you guys get the result? What is this, Merlin? What is this, Merlin? I do not understand it. Are you getting an error in ChatGPT?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, I have to. Okay, okay, all right. Can you please share
One of
the image
image
itself?
generated,
Because
man.
I will, instead of sharing the link, can you please share the image? Download it and share it. That will be easy for me to access.
We
Shall I
can't
share
send
the
image in
screen,
chat
ma'am?
box, man.
Sorry, what?
We can't share image in chat.
Ma'am, shall I share the screen?
Yeah, okay.
But we have get one result. One of image is generated.
Instead of that, everyone can take a snipping tool and can copy it in the chat box.
Who was sharing the screen? Can you please share your screen? You were showing something. Someone was sharing the screen. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we got the output, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now I see actually two images. One is from Kanchan, and someone else also showed, and there were differences in the images. Can I get some more images, and then it will be easy for me to explain what I'm trying to say? No, it's good you got the image, but I want to see the image, what you are getting, so that I can,
Ma'am, can you please see my
compare.
screen,
Yeah,
ma'am?
Kaveri, yeah. So you are getting the all over look. You are getting same, right? Blue
Yes,
shirt and dark blue tie, and he's holding a brown strap leather bag, right?
exactly.
And okay, but still it's not exactly the same guy which I received, right? But that is okay, that is all right. And anyone else who has tried? Okay, now let me share you the another prompt. Here's the second prompt I have just pasted in the chat box. Try this out as well. Okay, and then we will do the comparison between the first prompt and the second prompt.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt you. Ma'am, we know this how to create AI image, but we are asking about how to create video, ma'am. So, can you please
Yeah, I
explain?
will come on that also. Don't worry, I will come on that also. But there is something I want to tell you.
Yeah, ma'am. When it comes to, you see, every time you see the video is basically a collection of images, right? So that is where Akriti is
Yeah.
taking us all towards. So when you see a consistent set of images, we make it in a bunch of frames and show you how an video can be made, right? If you really see any video, it comprises of multiple images, right? So that is how the journey has to be. So that's the trick that she's actually trying to help us understand. So yeah, continue. Akriti.
Yeah. Um Similarly, copy the second prompt and then paste it on ChatGPT, and again tell me the results you are getting. Has anyone attempted?
It takes time for downloading. No?
Okay. Did anyone got the result?
So I think, Akriti, in the interest of time, what we can show, right? I'm not sure if people are able to actually generate those images by. They might have laptop speeds and everything, correct? So you show them
Okay.
the collections, what we did, right? Especially when we tried to build one for this Velomal type of reel, correct? So you
Yeah.
just show them the images that we created, so you can demonstrate what the prompt was and what the image was, and then let the flow go, right? And then you just walk them through the steps on how we quickly created the videos, right? If they are interested, if anyone is extremely interested, we can have a dedicated session for exclusively for them. But for now, I feel in the interest of time and because of the bunch, the crowd, we might find it difficult to actually get the responses from teachers, right? Most of them um, might be outside or traveling. We're not sure about it. So that's why let's just show them what will be the output. What is output of the prompt one which you created? What is output of the prompt two which you created? And probably connect both of them and show them how did you actually merge the video together and created a quick AI complete reel. I think that should be it.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Yeah,
So
let's do that.
what exactly I was trying to do is, if you have anyone, if you have created the image by using the second prompt, you would have definitely got a different person in that image, not same as the person you got in first image, right? Yes, different, exactly. So be, to maintain the consistency of the character in the video, there are some, tricks for every tool. Even in the video, we use different kind of tricks to keep the character consistent. Sometimes we do it in the chat gpt itself, or google gemini itself, to maintain the character consistency, or sometimes we perform it in video tools. Okay, so I will reshare my screen, and I will walk you through what steps I have used to make the character consistent. Okay, first of all, I told ChatGPT that I have to create an advertisement for this Velamal Institute of Technology. It's going to be a teacher seminar, and I have to teach them how to make AI generated videos. How can they do it, without depending on the students or others? Okay, so I asked ChatGPT basically to write a script for 40 seconds. Okay, since I am using ChatGPT a lot for my work, and he has a good idea of me whenever I ask him to create an advertisement, or a poem, or a lullaby, or a devotional music, or we say song bhajan or something like that. So I have fed him in his memory a lot of, a content in his memory, that he has stored everything. So now I don't have to do that much of hard work, or train him again and again and again what I have to do, what I'm trying to do. So whenever I use some set of words, it automatically generates the script the way I want, and I simply have to read it out at once, the what ChatGPT has written, how he has prepared the script. And if I find some unnecessary stuff, or I want to add on something, I just mention in the prompt itself. Okay, so here he prepared everything, opening scene, scene 2, what it's going to be, right? Scene 3, then closing scene. Okay, if you want to read, you can read these narration part, or these uplifting background, right? All these things you can read. uh, if I start to read, then it will take a lot of time. Okay, so now I asked ChatGPT to generate images for this advertisement in 9 is to 16 size. But sometimes, it's an AI tool. It still makes mistakes. So it generated the image with the, with the narrator's script. So I asked it to regenerate it, right? So he regenerated the image, and this is where I got the final result. Okay, and the very important thing which I mention in my prompts when I'm generating the image is, I always mention ultra smooth, ultra clear, ultra realistic style. If I'm creating any video which should resemble like original, right? No 3D Pixar or cartoon style or something like that, then I intentionally put ultra realistic style. That is how I get, this, you can see the image quality. It's resembling like a real person is standing in the hallway, right? And then I mentioned like image should be like DSLR, very smooth and clear. Okay, then I ask it to create image for the next scene. All right, and it has given me the output that teachers are sitting on the desk and one instructor is teaching them how you can create AI generated videos and so the kind of environment or visuals I wanted in my video. uh, well, sometimes what happen is tools are not able to generate exactly what we want. Okay, in that case, let me show go yeah, in scene 3, it was like show glimpse of tools, text turning into animation and teachers collaborating. Okay, and this narrator's part, no coding, no complicated step, just your creativity powered by artificial intelligence. So this part, this chat gpt was not able to generate the image what I wanted. Okay, then what I did is I asked him to create a video prompt. Okay, I asked him to create the image for 3C as you can see on the screen, and he changed the guy, he changed the setup and everything. So it was unwanted, and I did many reattempts, but nothing happened. So I asked him to write a video prompt, and then I used this video prompt in two tools which I use very religiously, regularly, very much, Kling AI and Sora. Sora did not work well, so I made the video in Kling AI. And here it gave me this result, a single shot. Can you guys see the video?
Yep.
This is the video I received after giving the AI to Kling AI a video prompt. So you know uh, you get all this after a lot of experience and observation. I observed these things when I was making the videos and images, and I used to get stuck. But by and by, after using tools a lot and understanding them, basically you you get to know how to get your work done from that specific tool. Okay, now again it made so many mistakes. Here he completely changed the faculties and all that. Then again, so you have, then I again mentioned him you know to regenerate the image using the same person, so and so. Then afterwards I started creating video prompts. I gave him the video, sorry, I gave him the image and I asked him, also I mentioned there uh, the scene and the visual background and everything. I copied it from the script only. Okay, which I got it from ChatGPT, and then it created a video prompt for me. Okay, and if you want to create any changes, if you want it different, okay, then you can make the changes in the prompt itself. All right, so this is how I have done. And then finally I used CapCut, uh, where I uploaded each tool. Okay, 1 second. Where I uploaded, sorry, each video, and I simply joined them and did put extra effects and everything. So that's how I got the result.
So basically, to sum it up, right? So we generated all the three type of images using the ChatGPT tool itself, right? Which with the new ChatGPT version 5, right? The GPT-5, right? It
Yeah.
gives us far more sophisticated images, and then with your tricks, we can maintain the consistency across the images. And then we use the Kling.ai, which is the core video making tools, and use those images which we carved out from ChatGPT and fed it into the Kling.ai. And we gave the various video related prompts, which you just demonstrated, adding, how to maintain the video talking consistency. And followed by that, we use the CapCut to merge the videos across and create the particular reel. Right? This is the normal end-to-end step of a video making process, friends. And why why we thought of actually including it also, because there are several new skills which AI has actually triggered, right? At one end, we keep hearing that AI has come, so it is going to replace the jobs, right? It is going to change the entire ecosystem, blah blah blah. But in reality, even though it might affect some part of the areas, but and if we become more creative, if we put in our efforts to make use of all the existing tools and just enable ourselves in building certain things like this, things will be all the more easy. And we actually create, we do these video, what do you say, workshops and everything only to help teachers understand how you can explain a topic or any subject for that matter. If you take cyber security, for instance, in the computer field, right? Or if it's a blockchain, right, we can create a complete set of video notes, right, all with a set of predetermined prompts, sophisticated prompts, which our researchers have actually put it across, right? And then we take it into a modularized video making tool. So people in today's generation Z, which I'm sure you all must be facing, that gone are those days where we call that as a SAL method, right? Sit and listen, right? You will not find much students who are able to continuously focus for a long time. Correct. So such kind of a video tricks, tips, and any making the whole subject more interesting, right? That is where the skill of a teacher comes into play. And how we, just by the virtue of a little bit of interest, if you try to peek in other areas, right, to see how we can leverage some of these skills, right, you can see the wonders that it creates. It gives us a separate feeling, my friends. And that is how we reimagine the way how we teach to our learners and the learning fraternity. That's about it, actually.
If anyone has any question, um, you can ask.
Second prompt image, would you like to see, ma'am?
Yeah, sure, Kaveri, please show. Oh yeah, then it. Did you receive the same guy in the previous image, Kaveri?
Can you able to see the first image?
No, I'm asking you. Did you receive the same person? Did you get the same person in the second image by using the prompt tool? No, right?
Yes, ma'am. Same.
You received the same person.
Yeah, this one is first prompt image, and this
Okay.
is one is second prompt. Might be slight changes is there. I couldn't find the difference. This one is second, and this one is first.
I can only see one image here. I can't see on another image. Can you scroll on your screen?
Ma'am, this is second one. Hope you see it visibly. And this is first one.
I can't see your second image. Sorry, Kaveri.
Both the image persons are different, ma'am, not same.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You have received the different persons. Okay,
Yes.
different. Yeah. To maintain the character consistency, there are some tricks which we will learn in the further sessions. Okay.
Thank you.
Ma'am, actually, that's the trick. Actually, there is a bunch of prompt tweaking that we need to do to maintain the character consistency, and ultimately, that is what we all wanted. Correct? How do we maintain that character consistency? There are a bunch of step-by-step tricks. Actually, that's why I'm saying, right? If anyone requires, if there are a bunch of people who are exclusively interested in focusing on building such, right, we can create flyers, images, and related videos, which normally, if you give it to the outside, you know how much they charge, right? So rather with the AI, we have to just look for some tricks to maintain those character consistency, and we ourselves can create such kind of videos. So that would require at least half a day workshop or something like that, ma'am. So that's what we're trying to tell, right? So there is a bunch of keywords, bunch of step-by-step approaches, and then some experimentation to actually get to the level where it should actually be created. And actually, this video we just created in the beginning, which myself and Akriti, right? We just created maybe what, an hour before, Akriti? Is that how it is, right? An hour before the session.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just an hour before, I said, okay, let's demonstrate a quick video on the same subject, since it's an FDP, right? So most often than not, what happens is when we tend to create events within our colleges, right? Be it events by the teaching fraternity itself. Normally, what happens in colleges is they ask the students to actually do it, right? So what I instead are challenging is certain things we ourselves as teachers, because if it is FDP or any teacher related, even let's make attempt to do things by ourselves, right? Let's learn that art of making it. It's a very simple set of procedures only, and then the results that it gives, it actually hits our dopamine very high, friends. That's the least I could actually talk about in this limited time. But I'm great. I'm thankful for various responses and the interest that you guys have expressed. So we'll continue to look forward how we want to do and take this momentum forward. So I think if you don't have any further questions, I think we can drop off. We can wrap up the call. Ma'am, over to you. And thank you, Akriti.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. That was actually mind blowing. And thank you, Arun Divakar, sir, for your articulation in this particular video making. It was a nice presentation by both yourself and Akriti, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you for this wonderful session. Hope all our participants have learned a lot. And thank you so much. We'll meet again in the next session. Thank you, Akruti, ma'am. Thank you for joining with us.
Thank you.
Sanjay, sir, I'll post the feedback link now. Kindly wait.